Hi guys, I'm Roxy.
And I'm James.
And we're here at Red Rock Vapor, and today we're going to talk to you about the Fireluke mesh tank.
If you want to check us out, visit us online at Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Yelp, and Google+.
We'll have the links down below for you.
So right now we have 6 colors available for the Fireluke by Freemax. We have black, gunmetal, anodized, and then we also have resin colors. So we got the blue, kind of marbled look, purple, and pink. Right now we're currently out of the black resin and the gold metal.
So we have the Fireluke tank in store and online for $32. And that's a really good price point for this type of tank compared to the more expensive items. This is for someone who wants something a little bit more affordable. It's definitely a good tank for that.
Awesome. We're going to go over a quick unboxing for you guys, show you what you get in the packaging as well.
So this is the box it comes in. And inside the box, we have an extra coil. And these coils are special because the wire on the inside is actually mesh. I don't know if you can see in there, but on the inside it's not a coiled wire, it's a mesh wire. And so that's that. It also comes with some extra O-rings should you lose any or you need to replace them. It comes with an extra glass should you break it. And I'm pretty sure that's it.
And for the coils, they're only color-coded out of the box, so you get 2 that will match the metal ones at least. So the rainbow comes with 2 rainbow coils, the gunmetal comes with gunmetal, and black comes with black. The resin ones come with the standard silver, which are also going to be the coil packs that you'll buy in the future for them if you pick one up. It's kind of unfortunate. I wish that they came out with the colored coils. It just kind of keeps the theme going, but it's whatever. So far, these coils do last quite a while. I've had mine in for about a week, and the flavor is still incredible. I haven't lost any flavor. And a couple other people I know, they've had theirs in for over 2 weeks, and it still performs like the first day.
The only gripe that I have with this tank is that if you get one of the metal ones, the drip tip is metal. And so for me, it kind of bothers me. I don't like metal in my mouth and I don't like to taste the metal. And so I did have to change the drip tip. But as far as anything else, that is the only drawback that I've found so far. Otherwise, this is a really good little tank. I have it on a little 1 battery, 75-watt mod. And it's been working like a champ. Chuck some nice clouds.
Yeah. And there we go. Yeah, so this is a 24 millimeter tank. It's only 3 mil juice capacity, so if you're familiar with the Baby Beast at all, it goes through juice pretty quickly. Honestly, for me though, I like the draw on it, the airflow, how it feels. The flavor that you get out of it is incredible, so I don't mind filling it a little more often than usual, but it's a great tank so far. And these coils, they only come with 1 so far, so they only have a 0.15. They're rated 40 to 90 watts. I usually keep mine around 60 to 65 watts. That's where I get the best performance out of mine.
Agreed.
Ready? All right, so I'm just gonna show you guys how to take this apart really quick. A couple of features on the tank. This is an 810 size drip tip, so same size as Cloud Beast, Big Baby Beast, pretty much any of the bigger tanks nowadays. For filling, top unscrews like so, and then you got 2 fill ports on either side of the chimney. Bottom, for the airflow, you got auto stop, so there's actually a pin right here that stops it from passing. All you do is unscrew the base from the glass section, and that exposes your coil, and your coil pops out like so. Comes apart into 5 different pieces in total. Goes back together equally as easy. There you are.
Thanks for watching our video, guys. The Fireluke mesh tank is available in store or online at redrockvapor.com for $32. Have a good one.
Bye.